Hello, welcome to Affiliate Farm. I hope you're doing good today. Now let me show you a quick way you can set up your strong residential proxies and start working on those US accounts without getting account ban. Okay. Now, as usual, the first thing you need is a strong residential proxy, and a proxy is basically what will take you from where you are right now to the United States, and you need a strong proxy because weak proxies usually lead to account bans. Okay, so I believe by now you have your strong residential proxy. In case you don't have, you can use any other proxy provider out there. I personally use Proxy Sellers, this platform, proxyseller.com, and I use them because I find them to be reliable, affordable, and the most important part is that you can narrow down to a specific region, city, and even to a specific internet service provider, and that's very crucial for some of these US accounts we usually applied for. Okay, so let me show you how you can get your proxy from this platform. When you're here, this is the main page. I want you to come and click on residential proxy here. You can take your time and go through the site and learn more about them. You see how affordable they are. Like for 3 GB, you'll get it at 9 USD. And don't worry, I have a promo code which if you use will give you a 10% discount. Let me just show you. So if you decide to buy this 3 GB at 9 USD, just click on buy. Then you see here redeem code. I want you to type affiliate offer this way, affiliate offers with an S at the end. Then you paste it here. You see, like right now the price is 9 USD. So if you use the promo code, you see it is activated and the price has gone down to 8.1 USD. Okay, then you click on submit. Then you can make your payment using the cryptocurrency wallet you have, or PayPal, Visa card, whichever one you have. Okay, now after purchasing the proxy, I want you to log in. Let me just log in and show you how you can get your proxy. Okay, now when you've logged in, I want you to click on orders. You see here, click on orders. You see I'm a heavy user of this platform. Like right now I have like only 175 MBs left. I need to recharge this and I'll do it after this video. Now when you're here, I want you to scroll down, come down, then click on sticky. So first of all, we need to decide where we want to get our proxy. Let's go to Georgia. So sticky, then you see here country, obviously you're going to United States. So United States, nice. Then region, we are going to Georgia. Where is it? Georgia, nice. Then now city, this is how you can narrow down to a specific town. You see a region, now to a specific city. Let's go to which one? Adrian, and to a specific internet service provider. How many do they have? Today they have one. Let's check another one. So this one they have one. Let's check. Yeah, now you see, like for Baxley they have they are offering AT&T internet, which I think is one of the best internet service providers in the United States. So let's click on that, and then you see the format, the export format here. I want you to click on this arrow, then scroll down and click on login, password, IP, and port. This one. Okay, just click on that. Then you need to check everything. We can name this to Georgia. Yeah, so let's just name Georgia, the town is B, so let's have it like B. Okay, for records now everything is okay. Then click on create. Give it time to create your proxy. It usually take like 15 seconds. Nice. So you scroll back up, then here is our proxy that we've already created. These are some that I've been using and I'm currently using. So after creating your proxy, I want you to click on this arrow, then scroll down, and you see this link. Click it and it will download the proxy. Yeah, that's it. So I want you to open it. Is it download? So let's open it. I believe it's this one. Yeah. Now these are the logins to your proxy, to the proxy we've already created. This is the first one. This is the username. The second one. This is the password. Then this is the server, and this is the port. The last one is the port. So now that we have our proxy, so how do we set it up and start using it? Now for that we need something we call an Antidetect browser. Now an Antidetect browser is what will protect your account from being flagged as someone who is using a proxy. You see, some of these accounts that we are applying on usually prohibit the use of proxies, and when they detect your account is using a proxy, they will suspend your account. Okay, so for you to protect your account, you need to have an Antidetect browser. There are several Antidetect browsers out there, but I currently use Mologging, and the reason why I'm using Mologging is because, let me show you. Scroll down here. The reason why I use Mologging is because immediately after you've registered with them, you'll get a 2 free permanent profile. This is currently enough for you if you're planning to have like 2 accounts. If you're planning to have more than 2 accounts, then you'll have to subscribe to their premium plans. Now after registering with them, you'll have to download the Mologging software to your PC. Then you'll have to log in. Now this is how the software look like, and when you log in, this is the dashboard you'll see. So let me show you how you can start using the proxy. Now for that, it's very easy. When you're here, I want you to click on new profile. Okay, after new profile, I want you to click on advanced, create. Then you can name the profile. Remember the proxy is for Georgia, so let's just name it Georgia. Georgia, it was B. We can leave the browser for as Chrome, or you can use Firefox. Just leave it to Chrome. Then operating system, let's use Windows. The rest you can leave the way they are. Profile group, leave it the way it is. Now proxy type, I want you to click on that, then click on SOCKS 5, because the proxy we got from proxy seller there is SOCKS 5. Now IP, this one you can leave it the way it is. Then proxy server. Now this is where you take the proxy server. This is the proxy server, the one that start with RES. Copy it, go back. then you paste it there. Then the port, it is 10,000. Let me show you. The port is the last one, you see it is 10,000. Now we go to the username. This one is the username, the first one is the username, copy it. So proxy account, now the proxy account is the username, so paste it. Then proxy password, so the password is this one. Paste, then you click on confirm, and just like that you've already created your first profile for US account. So if you want to use it, you just click on start here. Let me show you, and let's test how strong the proxy is. Okay, nice. You see Georgia, Brunswick, American New York time. That's okay. So if you want to test the strength of the proxy, you can come to this site, Hua.net. So it's still connecting. Let's give it time. Nice. You see the this guys here is 100%. Okay, so this is very good. It is a strong, this is a very strong proxy. And if you check down here, you see the city, the zip code, the region, even the internet service provider. You see the one we chose there was AT&T internet, and that's what has been detected here. So everything is okay. Now after setting up everything this way, you can now go ahead and start applying for those US accounts you are looking for. Okay, I believe you've learned something today. Now this video was inspired by 3 comments. Let me show you from some of our subscribers. They commented on a video I posted about free proxies and how to set them up on your phones. You see, the first comment is from Tembea Kiasi. He was saying, hello, thanks for this. How do I properly set up my proxy and start working and avoid account ban? Now I believe you've learned something today, Tembea Kiasi. In case you still have more questions, you can still ask them in the comment section below. And even the next person was Apo. He was asking, is there a free proxy that you can set on your PC and change your location to the United States? Now, I highly discourage the use of free proxy because they will lead to account getting banned, okay, or account suspension. The best way you can use free proxies is just to use them to test the accounts, to see the kind of jobs available in the United States. And that's what African Culture Display also said in his comment. He was saying that don't use them for your service because they will be those accounts will block you. So avoid using free proxies because your accounts will be suspended. Now I believe from this video you've learned the most affordable way you can get your proxy and set it up and start working on those US accounts. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye.